welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made these delicious chicken and cheese mini egg bites. These turned out so fluffy and a perfect breakfast. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and I have mine on fan. What I will be using is some spinach, some grated mozzarella cheese, chicken breast pieces, 3 eggs, also some seasoning. So I will be using some black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. You need either some oil or butter so your egg bites won't stick to the pan. So then I cracked in 3 eggs. Adding all of my seasoning now, and I am just eyeballing it, so whatever you prefer, as much or as little seasoning as you want. And I'm just going to whisk it all together. So this recipe is very simple and the ingredients can be changed to your liking. So you can make them vegetarian or you can change the meat or vegetables. So I'm cutting up some chicken breast into smaller pieces, but you can also use some ham or turkey or go meatless if you want. So the amount of chicken that I used is around half a cup. So I used half a cup of chicken, half a cup of spinach, and half a cup of grated mozzarella. I'm also cutting up some spinach into smaller pieces. You can also substitute spinach with scallions or peppers. Now I am just coating my tin with some oil so the egg bites won't stick to them. I have realized that coating them in butter works better, so I would recommend doing that if you can. And now I am just laying out the ingredients into the pan. I'm putting quite small amounts in because my pan is very shallow. If you are using a deeper pan like a muffin pan, you can double the ingredients or just make 6 instead of 12. So first I laid out the spinach and now I'm laying out the chicken on top. And the cheese on top of the chicken, and I am pressing it down. Now I'm just pouring the mixed egg on top. If it spills over like you see here, just take a piece of paper towel and wipe it off. So once I've done that, it's ready to go into the oven. I have baked these for 20 minutes or you can just bake them until they're golden. I like mine on the darker side, but you can leave them in for less time. These turned out so delicious. They were melting in my mouth. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you have tried it and if you like it, and I will see you next time.